Hey everybody, Kevin here again. We're at Elephant Rock State Park. This used to be an old rock course, what it used to be, and they got granite rock out of here. And this is an overlook that's there. Real pretty view from here. We still haven't made it to the big rocks that they call Elephant Rocks. I definitely wanted to get a video of the overlook here. It's really pretty down through here. Miss Kitty catching some of her pictures. Well, I thought I'd venture off over this way. Let's see here. It's just nothing but great big rocks all through here where they've mined it a long time ago, and weather over time, as you know, rain and snow and ice has smoothed all these rocks off. Absolutely beautiful in here. And that's a pretty good view from up here on these rocks. Oh, it's cool. Well, like I said before, everybody, it's free to subscribe to our channel. So by all means, subscribe to our channel, share it with your friends. Give us a thumbs up too, and love to hear comments from people if you like the channel and you like some of the videos that we're bringing to you from our little nature trails we go to. This trail's a mile long and it's got some pretty good places in it, but we'll get to the big rocks here for too terribly long and get the main attraction on video for you guys. So appreciate it. It's a beautiful day. Summer's almost over, so get out there and enjoy it before it turns cold. Thank you, and talk to y'all later. Bye.